look around.
Hi guys, a long time no see. My camera is even dusty just from me not recording anything, but it's just been a heck of a couple months. In my personal life, there's been a lot of things going on, good and bad, so I just needed some time away from picking up the camera. I hope that you guys understand, but I really did miss YouTube. Also, just with everything that's going on social media, and like not social media, but like in the real world, I didn't think it was appropriate to like post things beauty related. It would just be so insensitive during this time, so that's why I'm here now, is I think it's okay to post something. And it's been a long time since I've talked to you guys. As you can tell, I'm still kind of lazy looking because I have a day off, I think. I don't know. I think I might go to work later in the afternoon. But I just wanted to vlog my day a little bit, just so it'd be a nice transitional way to come into YouTube again. Something more realistic and not like beauty this, beauty that. So I need to clean my house because it's really dirty. Like my house where I live with my family. I don't live by myself. I live with my family. Anyway, so yes, I'm gonna clean the dishes, and then after that, a ver qué se me ocurre. I tried making myself a coffee, but I don't know, I'm not a coffee person, and it came out kind of strong, and it wasn't really that good, but there's Celeste.
Yeah.
She's watching 13 Reasons, which oh, you're not? You finished it?
I finished it.
Wow, bro.
You're
Okay.
behind?
Yes, I'm behind. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to show you guys my kitchen. It looks so ugly. But I need to clean all. Oh my god, it looks even worse in camera. So I need to do all this. Y a ver how long it takes me. But I love using the dishwasher. This is my best friend.
Who laughs like you?
Hey guys, so I'm doing my hair right now because I want to do a TikTok. So I found this cool like video, and okay, can you show them? So it's basically like me veo fodonga for like the first couple of seconds, and then I go like "Nee," and then like I'm all arreglada and stuff. I haven't curled my hair in such a long time. Okay, that's the TikTok. Okay, so hopefully I can do that. I already did the first part, so right now I'm just gonna curl my hair as fast as I can. So I'm here at work. Yeah, I forgot to update y'all because it was like kind of last minute and I had to get ready in like a jiffy. So I'm the hostess today and it's so busy. I'm sweating through this mask. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna go because someone's gonna walk in and then it's gonna be awkward because I'm talking to my phone. So see y'all later.
One eternity later.
You want to be part of my vlog?
Are we doing another one?
Yes, so people know what I'm doing in my life.
About what? Was it another life update?
Yes. So I'm eating a quesadilla with this Tabasco and ketchup. So I just got back home from the restaurant, and on the way here, literally seconds as I get out of the parking lot, I got pulled over. And it was a warning, thank God, okay? But apparently I didn't stop completely at a stop sign. But I swear I've never seen a stop sign there. My sister was like, was it on the floor? And I was like, I don't know. And then it was gonna rain, so the man let me go. Like, he was like, all right, I'm gonna try to get you out of here as quick as I can so that you can leave. And I'm like, okay. But like, I was trying to be as apologetic as I could. Because, I mean, I don't know, I was kind of scared, to be honest, but I know I didn't do anything wrong. I don't know, I think he was just trying to get something out of, like he was trying to finish his quota for the month. I don't know, because it's like the end of the month, and that's when police officers are more like antsy to get tickets out of people. But, yeah, I was like really confused, and I tried to like, I mean, I've never gotten pulled over, ever. So that's my first time, and I can't believe it happened today while I was vlogging my day. A great way to end my night. But I mean, I'm lucky that it was just a warning. But yes, it was very weird. Nunca se sabe ahorita, especialmente con lo que está pasando en el mundo con las policías. Lesson learned, I have to stop completely at stop signs. I already knew that, but you know, I'm like the safest driver. Like, I am a grandma on the road. Not like super slow. I drive a little fast, but anyway, so yes, that was how my night came to a close. But I'm gonna shower and just get ready for bed. So I hope that y'all enjoyed seeing my day. It was very different from any other day because of what happened right now, because I don't get pulled over every night like that. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.